How to recover deleted apps on Android. Hello everyone, this is Lucy with another video, and let's get to the video without any delay. First, open your Play Store app. After that, click on your profile at the top right corner. You will need to go to Manage Apps and Devices. So here, you need to click on Manage. After that, click on this arrow in the This Device option, and you will need to select Not Installed. And there you will have all the uninstalled apps in your device. If you want to download them, you can just click on the checkbox which is beside the app you want to install, and just click on the box and click on the download icon at the top. It will start downloading in your device for you. You also have the option for games. You can just select the box games and you'll find all the games you have uninstalled in your past. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe.